IAI TRG unit replacement. Maintenance platform deployment. Open control panel door. Set control voltage switch to on. Set motor switch to on and verify motor switch on indication light is illuminated. Press down button to position the maintenance platform at its lower position. At the maintenance platform main command box, set control main/secondary selector to secondary position. Close control panel door. Remove safety pins from both sides of the maintenance platform and release the locking handles. With help from another technician, deploy maintenance platform to a 90-degree angle. Deploy left and right side support rails and lock them using 3 safety pins, 2 forward, 1 at the side. Unlock the ladder by moving the locking handle to the left. Pull the ladder out and lower it until it reaches the aux box at the PDB. Enter the maintenance platform. Put on safety harness and helmet. Attach a harness safety belt to its maintenance platform anchor point. Lock maintenance platform door axis to 90 degrees and keep the door closed as long as you are standing on the maintenance platform. Position the maintenance platform at the required height for performing the maintenance. Open and lock both antenna doors by pressing the handle and turning it to 90-degree angle. Position the maintenance platform at the required height for performing the maintenance. Go to TRG unit. Disconnect the optical connector from TRG and immediately install a protective device to the open disconnects. Release the cable harness from the hook. Using the Allen wrench, release 10 Allen captive screws. Using the Allen wrench, release 10 Allen captive screws. Using the Allen wrench, release 10 Allen captive screws. Using the handle, carefully pull TRG out and replace it with a new one. Well done! You have successfully finished the removal and installation process of TRG unit.